In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Microsoft PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. Whether you're looking to share a link, direct your audience to a specific web page, or simply make your presentation more interactive, adding a QR code can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to have Microsoft PowerPoint open on your computer. Launch the program as you normally would and open the specific presentation file where you want to insert the QR code. With your file open and ready, navigate to the top of your screen where you'll find the ribbon that houses various tabs and features. Click on the Home tab, it's usually the first option on the ribbon, which serves as your gateway to a variety of tools and settings. Now you want to bring up your add-ins. You might be familiar with add-ins when using Word or Excel, but they are just as useful in PowerPoint. Look for the Insert tab, and within it you should see an option for Get Add-ins or simply Add-ins. You'll want to click this to bring up the add-ins store. In the add-ins box, you'll notice a search bar. Here, type in QR4 Office. This is a popular and reliable add-in specifically designed to make generating QR codes easy and efficient right from within your Microsoft Office application. Upon searching, QR4 Office should appear in the results. Go ahead and click the Add button next to it. This action will add QR4 Office to your PowerPoint tools, making it readily accessible whenever you need it. Once QR4 Office is added, it will guide you through the simple process of generating a QR code. You can input the URL or any text you wish to encode, and the add-in will handle the rest, creating a versatile and scannable image you can insert into your slide. This QR code can then be adjusted in size and positioned as you need, making it fit seamlessly with your presentation design. Remember, the steps are just about the same in Word and Excel, so feel free to repeat this process in any of those applications depending on your need. Using QR codes in your documents not only modernizes the way you share information, but also engages audiences by blending offline materials with online content. I hope this tutorial was helpful and enables you to enhance your presentations, documents, or spreadsheets with ease. If you found this guide useful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.